This week, Warhorse fires a translator and replaces them with AI. Suno is now generating more music than the entire history of recorded sound. Dana White tells AI critics to shut up. And China just built a data center under the ocean. This is your AI radar. Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 is one of the most anticipated RPG of the year. Historically accurate, beautifully crafted, years in the making. And this week, the studio Warhorse quietly fired their human translator and replaced them with AI. No announcement. No apology. Just, thanks, you're done, the machine will handle it now. The internet noticed. The backlash was immediate. Hundreds of comments. Gaming outlets picked it up within hours. And then something interesting happened. Crimson Desert, a completely different game, removed all AI-generated art from their project after fan pressure. The anti-AI sentiment in gaming is growing fast. Here's the thing nobody's saying out loud. This is not the last time this happens. Every creative industry, translation, writing, voice acting, illustration, is watching this exact scenario play out in slow motion. The question isn't whether AI will replace these jobs. It already is. The question is, what do we do about it? Suno just announced $300 million in annual recurring revenue. 2 million paying users. 7 million songs generated every single day. Let that sink in. The entire Spotify catalog, 100 million songs built over 20 years. Suno recreates that volume every 2 weeks. Now here's my honest take. Most of those 7 million songs are garbage. They're background noise for YouTube videos, filler content, AI slop. But some of them aren't. Some of them are genuinely good. And as the model improves, that percentage grows. The music industry sued Suno. They settled for an undisclosed amount. And Suno kept growing anyway. $300 million. From zero. In under 3 years. If you're a musician and you're not paying attention to this, you need to start. 2 major launches this week. First, multiple sources are reporting that Anthropic is testing a new model internally called Mythos. According to leaks, it significantly surpasses Claude Opus, their current best model. No official announcement, no benchmarks, just whispers. If Mythos is real and it's as good as reported, the AI race just got a lot more interesting. Second, Pipit just dropped Dreamina Seedance 2, a new video generation model. The AI video space is getting crowded fast, and the quality bar keeps rising every month. Watch this space. China just opened the world's first commercial underwater data center. In the South China Sea, off the coast of Hainan. They use seawater for cooling, which cuts energy costs by up to 40%. It already has 10 paying customers, and they're training AI workloads on it right now. This is not a stunt. This is infrastructure, and it tells you everything about how serious China is about winning the AI race. While the US debates chip export controls, China is literally building data centers under the ocean. The gap everyone assumed existed? It might be closing faster than anyone wants to admit. And finally, the quote of the week. A reporter at UFC Seattle asked Dana White about using generative AI in their promotional materials. His response? Quote, "Give me a break. AI is coming, and if we're using AI, who gives a shit? People are upset about it. We should use artists. How about this? Shut the fuck up and watch the fights." End quote. That clip went viral. Over 6,000 likes on X, hundreds of replies. Love him or hate him, Dana White just said out loud what half the tech industry is thinking. AI tools are here. You can fight them, or you can use them. Either way, they're not going anywhere. That's your AI radar for this week. A translator replaced, a music empire growing, a secret model from Anthropic, a data center under the sea, and Dana White being Dana White. If you want the signal without the noise, subscribe. I'll see you next week.